How to remove family account on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can remove a family account on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove family accounts on Cash App, maybe you have a family account or you might have added some members to your family, it is very simple to do this. All you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, you will see this type of interface where you have to tap the little profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to scroll down. Here you'll find this option known as Family. You want to simply go to Family. Under Family, you have to select Family Accounts, and when you select Family Accounts, if you've added any of the family members, just select the account that you want to remove, tap on the remove button in the top right corner, and that specific person is going to get removed from your family account on Cash App. If you've not yet made a family in Cash App, then you can just select Invite a Teen or I'm a Teen and just fill in the form to go accordingly with this. This way you can go ahead and remove family account on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.